Hello friends, I'm going to show you 5 strand braid and this is how supposed to be look like. So first I'm going to open now and show you the technique how to create this braid. First we have to comb through all hair, make sure no tangle. Then I'm going to make 5 sections equal. And we're going to hold 3 sections in left hand and 2 sections on the right side. So right strand goes over and then under the middle, and then hold 3 strands together, and the left strand goes over and then under the middle section. Again we're going to hold 3 strands on the left side, 2 strands on the right side, so then again right strand goes over and then under. Now we're going to hold 3 strands on the right side and left goes over and then under. I'm going to repeating same stuff until I finish, so I'm gonna speed up the video to show you end result. So this is the end result, and hopefully you like this and you learned something, and let me know how you like it. Please subscribe me and like me. Thank you. This is the end result, and please, if you like it, so subscribe me and like my channel. Thank you.